Right, vanhu vanosapota ZANU-PF yapanapa timboonesana. Una nyaya iri panapa yekutaurikai yakabuda nagezai. Ameno kuti muri kuionawo sei nyaya iri kunzi first lady wenyu mimi vari muningine kunzi vari kunzi pakarohwa 60 million pakungofamba kaprogram kavaifamba vachitamba nhodo kake. Ndakambotaura nyaya iyi ndakati ukaona nhodo dzakuisirwa microphone pasi and people were like you are jealous. If you go on social media ukacheka that statement ro ndakatanga nekutaura ngati ko nhodo dzakunoisirwa microphone chinchi vanhu vakanditi you are jealous about the first family chinchi. How come kuti ndonzi ndoita jealous about the first family? Inini ndiri kungotaurawo zvinhu zvandiendaona because inini I know kotona mic yako kuiswa patone mari mukata paiswa microphone pasi poto anyway that one iyo haisi nyaya zvayo hysteric but yazondibata ndeyekuti geza atozobuda ita kuti 60 million ndio yakarohwa padhiri racho. Ndo maprojects 60 million is a lot of money. Zvinobatsira chinyika zvenhodo dzaitambwa kungonzi tikutamba nhodo kutendera nyika yese tichitamba nhodo nevana zvinobatsira chi? What does that help to our country? Mahospitals mangana anokwanisa kuvakwa ne60 million. Sometimes atidi kuti tinge tichitaura zvimwe zvinhu zvekuti zvonzitanga titenga amenameno zvedu anditi but chinhu chinozorwadza chekuti unonzoti muzvipatara hamuna mushonga chakati chiri kuzodai chakachina chakati parotomborohwa imwe 60 million kunhodo. Imiti tiri maserious. Anyway ini zvangu ndiri kungoti tiri munguva yageza zvamuchazoitawo neinformation iyi zvazvenyu but inini zvangu yandishoka honestly speaking. So ameno munoionawo sei? Ndiudzewo maonero enyu ipapapa.
Good morning, everybody. Dear Zimbabweans, today, this Thursday, we are standing very close to our freedom. There is a beacon of hope for every one of us from the bravery of Blessed Runeshu Geza. He has chosen to put his life on the line because he's dealing with a true monster. And we all know the nature of monsters. They will devour anything on their way. But this is exactly the fate of Comrade Blessed Runeshu Geza. He has chosen to take the bull by the horns. And what is left now is for him, whatever his strategy, to give instruction to the majority of Zimbabweans so that together we bring down the monster. People, it's a monster and a really one. And the monster and the really ones never go down without a lot of bruises to those who bring them down. Monsters will always act as monsters. They will bite, they will kill, they will scratch, they will kick, they will swipe, everything within their power they will do. But let us still our resolve. Let us everyone be determined to die once in order to live long, in order to leave behind us a legacy, so that our children will know that when a monster was crouching and was very much spreading its tentacles to grab the whole of Zimbabwe, our fathers got scratched. Some died because there are some who will die. Let us prepare for death, especially if that death will emancipate our children. But then there is this also in between. There is a lot of talking by our people that we don't want it to be used. Yes, we don't want to be used and we are not going to be used. But who said Comrade Blessed Geza wants to use anybody? Listen to his language. It's very straight. This is not for so and so. It's no longer a packaged struggle. It is no longer a parceled struggle. It is a struggle by Zimbabweans. And in any case, if we say we don't want to be used, what is our alternative? Do we have any people? Sometimes when we have to choose one out of one, it is a choice and take it. It does not matter what dangers we are going to go through. My piece of advice is that we rise, we come together, we hold each other's hand, we catch each other when one is falling, we encourage one another in this struggle. This opportunity comes once, and once is never twice. People listen, and listen carefully for that matter. If we let this opportunity to slip away, we are going to rule the day. We are the ones who are going to know how our cowardice, our prevarication, and all such will lead us. Before us is the choice to die struggling, or to continue saying we are not going to be used, and then we are all under the grasp of this Mafiti dynasty, and it's an evil power. I don't know why it is not prophesied in the Bible, because this particular family needs its own prophecy, separate from the other prophecies and very specific towards it. So let us rise on the day, let us stand up on the day, let us fight on the day.